Okay, so this is problem 1 of chapter 2, section 1. And on this one, it wants us to find the domain and range. Okay, so what you need to know is that domain deals with the x values. Now, x values can look a bunch of different ways. Like if it was a graph, you know, the x values is the one on the horizontal axis. And if it was, say, a coordinate point, the x value is the first number and the y value is the second number. And same thing with the graph, that the y value is usually the vertical axis. Okay, so domain is the x values, and then the range is the y values. So it gives us a set of coordinates here. We got -3, 14, 0, 7, 2, 0, 9, -18, 23, -99. Okay, so what it means is that our first number is the x and the second number is the y. So let's highlight all the x values in yellow. That there, that one there, that one there, that one there. Okay, let's highlight all the y values or the range values in y. So we got y there, 7 there, 0, -18, and -99. Okay, and what you simply have to do is, you know, they kind of walk you through it. So it says complete the reasoning model below. First, I write the set of x coordinates. So they start you off with the first one, -3. Okay, then they want us to write the rest of them. So we got 0 and 2. So I'm just writing all the ones that I highlight in yellow. So these are all the domain values. 9 and 23. Then it wants us to write all of the y coordinates. So we got 14, 7. So these are all the ones in green. 0 and -18. And -99. Then it says complete each sentence with the word domain or range. So the set of x coordinates is the domain of the relation, and the set of y coordinates is the range. So notice how they use the little curly braces to show domain or range values. So when you're writing your notes, here's how I would write it. A little curly brace. So these would be domain. So it'd be -3, 0, 2, 9, 23, and curly brace. And then you say this equals domain. Also, one final point is that when you're writing the domain or range, if a value repeats itself, you only need to write that value once. So say you had a set that had 2 -3s, like this, -3, -3, 0, 2. You don't need to write that second -3. You just need to write it once. Hope that makes sense. If you got any questions, ask a buddy next to you or come and ask me, and I'll help you out. Alright, go to the next video.